Let's see what we got here. Let's unbox this bad boy. Sometimes we, oh, look at this. It's a shake plate, a vibration plate. All right, here's the manual. All right, so anyway, it does come with a jump rope. Check it out. See if I can get this open. This is always the hardest thing. Ridiculous, right? So check it out. I think this hooks onto the shake plate, right? And then you can, you know, I don't know, maybe it's stretchy, so you could do like progressive resistance exercise, you know, stuff like that. So let's set that down. It comes with this, which is, it's a remote. And I don't know if we have to put batteries in it or not. We'll have to see. I do believe you have to get batteries in it. So we're going to have to do that. So you need, it looks like they're AAA. Yeah, you know, the smaller batteries. We'll set that down. And here's this. Let's see if I can do it the smart way. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. All this plastic. Why do they have so much plastic? It's ridiculous. Anyway, you're going to need this. Read it. And this is the cord. Again, this goes into the machine. This goes into the wall. And Bob's your uncle. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, that came out easy. All right, let's get. Oh, look, there's batteries in there too. Oh, check this out. You do get 2 batteries for your remote. That's kind of nice, right? See if I can twist it. All right, I gotta cut it. Oops, there goes 1, 2. All right, so we got 2 batteries. Oh, shit. We got 2 batteries. All right. And now let's get it out of its sheath. Oh, looks nice. It's got nice, like, oh, so much plastic. Okay, flip it around. You can hear the suction cups on it, right? All right, so anyway, this is everything that comes with it, okay? All right, so you do get this like jump rope thing, right? And we'll just have to try that out and see how it works. So let's set that there. Let's go ahead and get our batteries in here so we can use this. Negative goes to the spring, and positive goes to the opposite side. All right, so now we've got that ready to go. Pretty simple, right? And then here's our plug. So let's undo that. That's my washer, making that weird noise. All right, so that's ready to go. And then we've got our manual. And this is the name, oh, there's the name. Just let me flip it over so you can see. It's got these suction cups, so it kind of like, it suctions right onto the floor. And now we just got to find the spot where we put the plug in, which I think is on this side. Oh yeah, there it is. So here is your off and on button, your plug. And this, we want to go ahead and take that off. All right, so now we're ready to go. Let's put that over there. Let's check this out. So you gotta look at this and see which way it goes in. Okay, every time I lift it up, you can hear that weird noise. So it just kind of slides in there, I guess, like that. And now we're ready to go. We just got to plug it into the wall, and we can do some shake and bake, right? All right, so I put it over here for now because we've got to find a plug to plug it into, right? So let's go ahead and plug that in. And then we've got to turn it on, right? So to turn it on, I've got to come back here, and there's a little button right there. It's on. Bam. See that? Okay, so here is your, I guess your control panel, you would call it. This is your power. So if you hit that little button there, it comes on and off. Once, of course, we've turned it on down here. Again, watch. That's off, that's on. Let me show you. Off, on, right? So and then if you hit there, it turns it off. Turn it back on. You can do a program, and there's P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, ha, and P1. If we want to start it, we hit that. But what I want to do is just go back to the regular. I think that might be it. Let's turn it off, turn it back on. All right, so I'm at 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and hit that. Oh, look, see? All right, let's go ahead and give it a chance and see what it feels like. Apparently, that's the ha position. Okay, there we go. I am shaking. I'm holding the camera, too. Wow. That's a shake right there for sure. I think that I'm standing on it right. I think you stand, towards the towards the thing. I got to get off for a second. All right. So anyway, I've got it facing this way, but let me go ahead and just. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it around, and I think this is the way you do it. So I'm on. Just look at me. Woo. Wow. It does feel kind of good. Now, if I want to turn it up, the speed, I can hit it here. I'm going to go up, see how far I can go. Okay, I went to 53. So you can see the difference. This is shaking my eye. Oh, wow. It's really shaking me. Guys, can you tell? If I bend my knees, I don't feel it so much up here. I'm just on my legs. But then when I straighten them up, man, I can feel it all the way through me. You can even hear it in my voice. Watch. I bend my knees, the top stops shaking. I stand up straight, I get rocking. Woo! Let's go all the way up. I'm going to go all the way up to, I think it probably goes to 100. 93, 95, 99. I'm at 99. So I'm going to bend my knees so that you can hear my voice better. Now watch when I come up. Now look at, you can see the difference, right? You can even see my glasses shaking. Oh, wow. Feel it all through here. Wow. Works good, I gotta say. Ah. And it kind of feels good. Ah. The whole room is shaking because your head shakes, Yeah. Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah, I highly recommend it. I think it's probably good for you. I think you can burn calories just standing on here. All right, let me get off of it for a second. Oh my God. Well, I guess that's okay. It's kind of weird that they have this on this side. You would think it would be on the other side because I think this is the way you're supposed to stand on it. But let me just go lower, watch. Well, it's hard to do it when it's moving. I'm gonna go down to like really low. So now I'm at so there's 9, right? I mean, it'll go all the way, I think. Here's 1. So 1's the easiest, right? Now, if I press this, I can go up. Let's go to 30 so you get the difference. There's 34. See the difference? Now I'm going to go higher. Go to, let's say, 60 or 62. It's hard to stop it right on the number. But you can see it's really hitting it hard. And then let me go all the way up. And I can go to 99. And you can hear my voice already cracking. That's 99. Wow. That is really good. I mean, I would just go right to 99 and just let it vibrate the heck out of me. You know what I mean? Look at my feet. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, and that's basically how it works. Now, you've got the programs that you can do that have different times on them. And this one doesn't give me you know, it doesn't let me set the time. I guess it just goes for like, you know, 10 minutes maybe. And then you have to start it again. I don't know. We're gonna have to play with it and see how it works. But you can see, look, I'm bending my knees right now, so my voice isn't, you know, cracking from the shake. But yeah, I gotta say, it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. And then if you want to stop it, you can just go, bam. You know, look what it's doing. It's going all the way back down. Let's see if it turns off. Yeah, it does. So what it does is it resets itself when you stop it. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Like if I start it again, watch. It's at 1. If I stop it, it should just turn off. There, bam. So know that when you set the speed and you stop it, it doesn't stop automatically. It comes back to 1 and then turns off. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So I would definitely recommend it. It's pretty awesome, to tell you the truth. And anybody you get this for is going to love it. There's a warning on there. I don't know what that's for, but I don't think it matters which way you stand. I mean, I think I could have stood this way, you know, or, you know, this way. I think you could also put you can see it's like how it moves. But I think you could also like do push-ups on it and stuff like that. But yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.